Hi guys, so the question is eating game. Okay, so there are n players playing a game at a circular table. The highest player has AI dishes to eat. They take turn eating the food, and any player can go first. During their first turn, if a player I has any dishes remaining, they must eat exactly one dish. Then player under bracket I mod n plus one start their turn. Okay, this continue until all the dishes are finished. The player who eats the last dish is considered the winner. Okay, determine the number of players that can be possibly the winner. Okay, so we have n number of players, and in between the n number of players, who could win the game. Okay, whoever plays the last will win the game, or there could be a multiple winners, not a single. Okay, also, so let's write the code. Int n, no, not n, t, while t int n is equal to sin int maxwell val is equal to 0, count max is equal to 1, no 0. Then we run a for loop, and I is equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus, enter the value int x sin x. Then if maxwell is less than x, assign the value of x to what? Maxwell. Okay, maxwell is equal to x. Okay, then count will be assigned as what? Count max will be assigned as 1. Else if maxwell is equal to x, then count max will increment. Okay, now what? See out count max. Okay, let's run the code. Take the copy test cases, then enter it. Okay, so the answer is correct, 112. All the test cases passed. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching. If you have any doubt, write down in the comment section. I will definitely try to reply it. Thank you for watching.